How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can rotate axis labels diagonally in Excel. So in here we have our labels. Basically, this is just a simple graph that I've made. And if you want to go ahead and make them diagonally, you could simply just double click on it. And then it will open up the actual settings for our graph right here. So all you want to do is to navigate through the outer graph that enables the text option. And in here, you want to select text box. And then basically you have the vertical alignment, the text direction, and custom angle if you want to. Now, if you want to go ahead and make it diagonally, you have the ability to rotate the text 90 degrees, 270, or stacked. So ideally, in my case, I'm just going to select 90-degree right here. And basically right after, you will be able to see that we successfully adjusted the labels for this axis chart right here. And so you could customize this to whatever you want to, but that's going to be it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.